Good morning everyone, Ellen James here. If you're a doctors, engineer, teachers, caregivers, nurses, lawyers, or simpleng nanay na katulad ko, pwede mo pang dagdagan ng kinikita mo. Ako as a full-time mom, kumikita na ako ng malaking halaga sa social media. Finally, the business that anyone can do. Kahit simpleng nanay ka na katulad ko. Yes, tama ang narinig mo kababayan. Kung ikaw ay full-time mom or full-time workers, pwede ka rin kumita ng katulad ng kinikita namin. I work on my own business with the help of multi-million-dollar company. Anytime, kahit nasa labas ako, nakabakasyon ako, and I'm doing this business only 1 or 2 hours lang kapag may time ako katulad nito. So this digital business, you don't need to sell anything and you don't need to recruit anyone to earn. That's why I decided to start this business because I don't want to sell and to bag my family and friends. Kahit naman sino, diba, ayaw natin nang binabag pa natin yung ating mga friends or family kasi hindi naman lahat talaga nasa entrepreneurial mindset. But if you like to earn while enjoying your time and enjoying your social media, click the learn more button because that's the first step for you to learn about this business. So after you click the learn more button, you will be directed to my website, okay? All you need to do is put your name and email address and watch the complimentary webinar. Then you will decide if this business is suit for you, right? Because for us, this is our main source of income na. My husband work in the government, but ako, as an online business, ito na yung aking nagiging source of income. Sometimes patay na kami ng husband ko sa kinikita, sometimes naman mas malaki pa yung kinikita ko because this is the business, right? Now I made 4 to 5 figure every month and it doesn't affect the time for my kids and for my family, and I will still have my control over my vacations because I can bring anywhere. Katulad niya sinabi ko kanina, pwede ko siyang dalhin kahit saan. And next year, we're going to our convention in San Diego, California, and all of that is tax write-off because this business, you can tax everything that you're going to spend for your business. And guys, this business is legitimate. We're submitting W-9 to the government and we receive 1099 at the end of the year para mai-submit namin for the claims sa mga tax write-off na pwede naming i-tax write-off. Yung mga expenses namin sa business, para lahat iyan is ma-refund namin at the end of the year. Kung gusto mo lang naman kumita ng extra or mahigitan pa yung kinikita ng asawa mo or kinikita mo para madagdagan pa lalo yung income ninyo, right? So, you can add me on Facebook, YouTube, or message me so I can help you to maximize your income through this digital business. This is my website and this is my my Facebook page and business page. I can help you and guide you kung gusto mo magsimula ng business. If you can see me, I'm here chilling with my coffee and I just closed 3 contracts today, 3 huge contracts, and that mean tumataginting na naman na 4 to 5 figure. To be exact, 16,500 pesos po. Dollars po ang na-close deal ko ngayon. So ikaw, kabayan, kung gusto mo din na kumita katulad ng ginagawa namin, you don't have to harm anybody. You don't have to scam anybody. This is legitimate business. Just message me and let me know if you are interested. Salamat po. God bless everyone.